Hello viewers, you're welcome to my channel once again. So today we have this problem to resolve. We have 2 to the power of root 200, so they equal to s to the power of x. So first of all, we have root 200, which is the same as root 2 times 100, and is equal to x to the power of x. From here we have 2. The square root of 100 is 10, so we have 10 root 2, which is equal to x to the power of x. But when we have 2, this is the same as the square root of 2 all squared, because this square will handle the square root signs to get back 2. So we can rewrite these 2 as this, to have the square root of 2 all squared further raised to the power of 10 root 2 is equal to x to the power of x. So from here we can multiply the powers to have the square root of 2 further raised to the power of 2 times 10 is 20 root 2, and is equal to x to the power of x. So we have the square root of 2. We can split the 20 to be 5 times 4, and we have root 2, which is equal to x to the power of x. So this can be written as the square root of 2 to the power of 5 further raised to the power of 4 root 2, which is equal to x to the power of x. So we have root 2 to the power of 5, but this root 2 to the power of 5 is equal to root 2 to the power of 5 is equal to root 2 times root 2 times root 2 times root 2 and times root 2. That's root 2 into 5 places, and we know that this times this is 2, this times this is 2, and we have root 2 left. So when we multiply this, we have 2 times 2 root 2. So our root 2 to the power of 5 is equal to this. That means root 2 to the power of 5 is equal to 2 times 2 is 4. We have 4 root 2. Now root 2 to the power of 5 is equal to 4 root 2. So we are going to be imputing it here. We'll be replacing this with 4 root 2. Since we have root 2 to the power of 5 further raised to the power of 4 root 2, we have root 2 to the power of 5 further raised to the power of 4 root 2 to be equal to x to the power of x. Since root 2 to the power of 5 is equal to this, we'll be replacing it with it to have 4 root 2 further raised to the power of 4 root 2 is equal to x to the power of x. So from here, it simply means that our x is equal to 4 root 2. Thank you for watching to the end of this video. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our solutions.